Hey Wheesearchers, it's me Howard, and I am so happy to be here today because I am going to be reviewing the lip products from the KKW and Mario collaboration. But before we get into that, you guys, please hit our subscribe button, ring that notification bell, thumbs up this video if you like it, and don't forget to leave a comment letting us know what you think about Kim Kardashian's makeup line. And don't forget to share this video. Here's the packaging for them. The two bigger ones are lip glosses and the smaller one is a lipstick. And to be quite honest, I'm sorry, I don't really like the packaging. It's way too boring. If this was mine, you would be able to read my name. Girl, I almost can't even see that this is by Kim Kardashian or Mario. That's a fail. But this is the box, we throw that out, okay? Two lip glosses and a lipstick. Juicy, Super Nude, and Classic K. Get into these swatches, what do you think? Here is the Classic K, Super Nude, and Juicy. Wow! I'm like low-key shook. I'm honestly, I don't know yet. Let me keep going. Kim, what do y'all think? Is this my color? Is it giving you too much? Like, I honestly, in real life, I'm feeling it. I don't know what it's doing in person, I mean on the camera, but I really like this. And side note, just in how the thing feels is quite nice. I'll tell you, she's a little streaky. She's a little streaky. Even still with me trying to evenly distribute it. Okay. But I love the color. I love the color. It's very bright. I feel like a little lip liner. A little something could bring this on through for me. We'll keep this one. Now I'm gonna tell you, I don't really like the smell. It actually doesn't have a fragrance. It smells like lipstick. But I feel like I'm so used to buying lip products that smell like stuff that the smell or lack thereof is just not appealing. This is not sparkly and it's not sticky. The lipstick is $20. I do feel like I'm getting a little bit of moisturization because it's not a matte, you know, liquid lipstick that's gonna dry down and take your lips from, you know, the pool to the desert, okay? It does have a slight shine to it, very small. Now I will say that this is not going to dry down. It is a cream, so it's definitely going to be able to transfer. I mean, get into that transfer, y'all, okay? Like I told you, it does have good coverage. It goes on rather well, but it is a bit streaky. So you're probably just gonna have to apply a bit. Maybe make sure you take your time. Maybe a lip brush or something. I don't know. But let's start getting into these lip glosses because you're supposed to be able to layer them over top of this. Could be a festive thing. This is the Super Nude lip gloss over top of the Classic K. What do you think? No? Yes? I actually kind of like it. I will say, when you're using, look at the applicator. You don't get much product on the applicator. I just pulled this out and it looks like there's nothing on there. But there is. Girl, I'm not feeling this. My lips look gray. No ma'am. But as a lip gloss, I'm gonna say it's a win. I do like it because it has like little bits of glitter in it and I live for it. Now I don't smell anything. Yeah, this has no smell. It does have a slight sparkle. A little sticky, but it's lip gloss. But I wanna say it's not overly sticky. I have tried stickier lip glosses. It is not waterproof. The price of the lip glosses are $18. I'd say it goes on smooth. I suppose somewhat moisturizing. The shine is intense. I mean, even though my lips are gray, they are definitely still shiny, all right? I think it did give me good coverage. I'd say yes. I'm looking in the monitor right now, so yeah. I would say it is easy to apply. Yes. Let's get into Juicy. Girl, these are not my color. I wanna like them so bad because this in person, I feel like I like it. But on camera, I'm feeling like I look gray. Ugh. But this to me is giving me more of a nude Second opinion. Okay, yeah. I'm not crazy. I just went and got a second opinion, and my lips are gray, so yeah. All the same ratings do apply to this lip gloss. Let's see what it looks like over top of the Classic K. We got that Classic K on. Let's put this Juicy over top. Let's discuss. Girl. And see, I'm not a person that layers lip glosses over top of my lipsticks. You guys help me. But this is making like...
Do you see that? The lipstick is separating, honey. I'm trying to make an ugly face.
But it's literally separating. Like it is going into every crack, crevice of my lip. Too much. I would say this is the one that's closest to the win for me. Like I don't hate it. It's a bit bright, but we could line it and do something cute with it. We might can bring this back on a rainy day. So just to give you my final thoughts, I liked all three products individually for what they give. I liked the super nude for the little bit of glitter that it had in there. My favorite lip gloss was the Juicy because it went closest with the lipstick, but I didn't like layering the lip glosses over top of the lipstick because it made the lipstick separate. And my truth, just on me, and I'm also a guy that doesn't particularly care for lip gloss, I'm not really feeling the lip glosses on my lips by themselves. I feel that my lips are too dark for them, so it just doesn't work. Like, honey, who wants to walk around with gray lips? No, ma'am. But I would say that this lipstick is a win. I'll give it a win, because it was smooth, it didn't feel crazy on my mouth. I can get with that. So you guys, please let me know in the comment section exactly what you think about this Kim Kardashian and Mario collaboration. And please make sure you check back on our channel because our other in-house vlogger, Gabby, she's gonna be reviewing the eyeshadow palette. Okay, so I know you got to come on back and check us out. Once again, share this video with a friend, hit our subscribe button, ring that notification bell, thumbs up this video if you liked it, and don't forget to leave a comment. Alright you guys, hey, and beauty bloggers, we are looking for you. If you would like to come and join our team and review some makeup, come on by, go to Wheesearch.com and make a free vlogger account. And start giving some opinions too while you're at it, okay? I'll see you soon. Bye guys!